ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हम लोगों ने कवर किया था रैंडम बेस टू रैंडम बेस कन्वर्जन और बेस टू बेस अर्थमेटिक, जिसमें हमने बाइनरी एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन, ऑक्टल एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन और हेक्साडेसिमल एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन देखा था। आज के लेक्चर में हम लोग कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स कवर करेंगे, जिसमें कि दो तरह के कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स हम कवर करने वाले हैं। फर्स्ट वन इज r-1 एंड सेकेंड वन इज आर्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट। दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक and very conceptual also. So what are complements? प्रोसेस को सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स आए। कंप्यूटर में सब्ट्रैक्शन कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स को यूज करके ही होता है। अब व्हाट आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स? सो टू मेक अ नंबर नेगेटिव वी टेक कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ दैट नंबर। दैट मीन्स if there is a number b and I take complement of this number b, then it will become minus b. And then if again I will be taking the complement of minus b, then it will become is equals to b. If I double complement b, then I will get b again. Single complementing it makes b negative. Okay, so how many types of complement are there? There are two types of complements. First one is diminished radix complement, which is also called as r minus 1's complement. Second one is radix complement, which is also called as r's complement. What is r here? R is the base of that number system. That means for any number system which has base r, there are two types of complement, r minus 1's complement and r's complement. For example, for a decimal number system, r is equals to 10. That means there are two types of complement. One is 9's complement and the second one is 10's complement. For a binary number system, r is equals to 2. So there are two types of complement, which is 1's complement and the other one is 2's complement. So how to calculate these complements, we are going to learn. First one is diminished radix complement or r minus 1's complement. Okay, this is the formula to calculate r minus 1's complement. Number of which complement is required. Small n is the number of digits in n and small r is the base of number system. So the formula says r is power n minus 1 minus capital N. Okay, ninth complement of 9347 numbers need to be calculated, which is in decimal number system. So here r is equals to 10, small n is equals to 4 and capital N is equals to 9347. Four digits are there, so small n is equals to 4 and capital N is the number जिसका हमें complement निकालना है. Okay, so now put everything in the formula. So 10 raised to the power 4 minus 1 minus 9347, right? So what is this? 10 raised to the power 4 is 1 followed by 4 zeros minus 1 minus 9347. Now what is this? 4 times 9 minus 9347. So which is equals to 0652. So this value is the ninth complement of this number. So what we can say that if you want to calculate ninth complement of any number, then subtract each digit from 9. Rule says that if you want to calculate r minus 1's complement of any number system, then subtract each digit of n from the biggest digit available in that number system. That means if we are talking about decimal number system, then the biggest digit available in that number system is 9. So subtract each digit from 9. You will get 9's complement, right? If you are talking about the binary number system, then you need to subtract each digit of the binary number from the biggest digit available in the binary number system, which is 1. Okay, so the next is 1's complement for binary number system. Okay, we need to calculate 1's complement of this number 1011. Formula was r raised to power n minus 1 minus n. So here r is 2 raised to the power small n is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there, minus 1 minus capital N. R raised to the power 4, what is this r raised to the power 4 in binary number system? what we are talking about, binary number system. We know in decimal number system it is 16, but it is in decimal number system, it's not in binary. So 16 in binary will be, I'm converting 16 in binary. So 16 in binary is 1 followed by 4 zeros. That means 2 raised to the power 4. If I want to write it in the binary number system, it is 1 followed by 4 zeros. Okay, so we have 2 raised to the power 4 in binary number system is 1 followed by 4 zeros. So from here 1 followed by 4 zeros minus 1 minus 1011. Okay, what is this number? We have already learned subtraction in binary number system. Let's subtract it here. Okay, now borrow. It cannot give 0, 0 cannot give borrow to 0. So we will take borrow from this one. This one will be 0 and this 0 will be 2. Now this 2 will give borrow to this. So this two will become 1 and here it will be plus 2. This will become 2. Now this 2 will give borrow and this 2 will be 1 and this 2 will give borrow to this plus 2. So here it will be 2, this will be 1 and finally this will be 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Here it is 1, 1, 1 and this is 0. So 1 followed by 4 zeros minus 1 is 4 ones minus 1 0 1 1. So what is the answer? 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. 1's complement of this number is 0 1 0 0. Okay, what was the rule? To calculate r minus 1's complement of any number system, subtract each digit of that number from the biggest available digit in that number system. If we are talking about binary number system, then the biggest digit available in binary is 1. Subtract each digit of n from 1. So this is what we have done. So we got this. But now there's a trick to calculate 1's complement in binary number system. See this number 1011 and the 1's complement is 0100. That means if I invert each bit, 1 is inverted to 0, 1 is inverted to 0 and 0 is inverted to 1 and 1 is inverted to 0. That means if you invert each bit in binary number system, you will get 1's complement. So this is very important trick, right? That means 1 will be inverted to 0 and 0 will be inverted to 1 and you will get the 1's complement of the number. Now coming to the r's complement or radix complement. Okay, now what is the formula for this? The formula for this is r raised to the power n minus n. This is the formula to calculate r's complement, where n is the number of which you want to calculate the complement and small n is the number of digits in capital N and r is the base of the number system. All the nomenclature are same. Okay, now one thing, what was the formula for r minus 1's complement? R raised to the power n minus 1 minus capital N. This was the formula for r minus 1's complement. If you see this formula and this formula, if you see both the formulas, so the r's complement is 1 more than the r minus 1's complement. You can see this minus 1 is here, but this minus 1 is not in the r's complement. So what we can say, if I want to calculate r's complement, just add 1 in r minus 1's complement. So write it down somewhere. It is very important thing. Okay, first let's calculate by using this formula. Okay, 10's complement of 9347. 4 digits are there. So 10 raised to the power 4 minus 9347, which will be equals to 1000, 4 times 0, 9347. Subtract it. It will be 3560. Right? Previously, what was the answer? 9's complement of this number was 652, and tens complement of this number is 653, and that means tens complement of 9347 is one more than the ninth complement of 9347. Okay, so what will be the two's complement of this number? Calculate one's complement first. Calculate one's complement. Okay, one's complement. It was easy. Invert each bit 0, 1, 0, 0. Now this is one's complement. Add 1 plus 1 means 0, 1, 0, 1. So this is two's complement, right? This is two's complement. So what we need to do? We need to calculate one's complement and then add 1 in that, and you will get two's complement. To calculate two's complement, again the trick. We got the trick for one's complement, है ना? Invert each bit of number n. Now trick to calculate two's complement. What is the trick? Okay, there is a number. Let's say same number we are taking. So move from the right. Move from the right. See, look into the number from the right, and wherever the first one occurs, draw a line. Whenever the first one occurs, draw a line. Okay, so the left hand side numbers must be inverted, and keep this one as it is. So what will be the number? 2's complement 0, 1, 0. These three numbers will be inverted and keep 1 as it is. So this is the 2's complement and this is the 2's complement. Same numbers are there. Both are same. So this is the trick. Now take some another number to calculate 2's complement. Take a number 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, this is the number. Now you need to calculate 2's complement of this number. Okay, now from the right, look into the number, and whenever the first one occurs, draw a line. One, no, this is not 1, this is not 1. First one is here. So draw a line when the first one occurs. These numbers will be inverted. Invert these numbers, and these numbers will be as it is, right? So the 2's complement will be 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. These numbers are inverted and these numbers are as it is, right? This is the 2's complement of this number. 2's complement. Okay, let's check the answer. Let's check the trick. Same number I am writing down 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. This was the number. Now calculate it by the normal method. One's complement, calculate first one's complement. One's complement will be invert each bit 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, now add 1 in it. 1 plus 1 is 2, 0 here, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, 0 here, carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Now all the numbers are as it is. So this number and this number are same. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, so you have learned 9's complement, 10's complement, you have learned 1's complement, 2's complement. Okay, if we are talking about hexadecimal number system, if the hexadecimal number system, if you need to calculate r minus 1's complement, r minus 1's complement means 15's complement, or it will be 16's complement. Two complements will be there, r minus 1 and r's complement. So this is r minus 1's complement. So what you need to do, subtract each digit from f and add 1 in it, you will get 16's complement. Similarly, in octal, there are two complements, 7's complement and 8's complement. What you will do to calculate 7's complement, subtract each digit from 8 and plus 1 to get 8's complement. It's as simple as that. And subtraction and addition we have already learned for a particular number system, right? Okay, so let's finish this lecture here. In the next lecture, learning the subtraction using complements.